Hey friends, what happens if we let AI commentate on League of Legends games? So I made an AI tool that enables anyone to turn their silver games into fully shoutcasted matches. So shoutcasting is like live commentary for a competitive game. I want to see what happens if we use AI to commentate on these games instead. So here I found a clip from an actual pro game. This is commentated by humans. And after the clip, I'll show you the version using my AI tool so we can compare the before and after. So let me just play this version.
Low health members, but Team Liquid 2v5 is possible. You might get a team fight. He's going to shoot. You're kidding me. Centaurus. It's early. Kill number 1. Here comes kill number 2. And he's in for number 3. Right there. The king of Pentagon. Oh my God. You got to be kidding me.
Okay, so that was the human version of commentary. Now let me show you the AI tool I've made. And I'm using Rick and Morty. Usually there will be two casters in these games, a color caster, which will be Morty, and then a play-by-play caster, which will be Rick.
Baron down to 7k HP. Oh, the intention is palpable. Team Liquid are going all in on the Baron, but look at their health bars.
Danny and Vulcan are moving in. Danny's in range. Baron is stolen by EG. Now Danny turns his attention to TL Hansama trying to run. Danny gets a shutdown. Danny and Vulcan continue to fight. Team Liquid collapses onto Danny. Danny gets a shutdown. A quadra kill. The crowd is going wild. The crowd erupts in celebration. Danny and Vulcan wipes out TL. It's a pentakill for Danny.
Cool, so that is the AI tool. Let's dive into how this was done. There's a few different components, but firstly there's event detection. So using an LLM to detect when important things happen, such as when Jinx steals the Baron Nashor. So I did this using Relevance AI, where I used the video and then broke it down into screenshots with 2 frames per second. And you can see all the different screenshots here. And using another Relevance AI tool, we can actually use LLM vision and for the LLM to point out when something interesting happens. So you can see here, I had 0 seconds. EG is in a tense standoff with T1 at the Baron pit. T1 is attempting to secure Baron, but EG's Danny and Vulcan are positioned for potential steal. And then at 9 seconds, in a dramatic turn, Danny's Jinx manages to steal the Baron from T1, and so on. The last component of this is the voice generation. So with that, you can just connect to any API such as ElevenLab to use AI to generate the voice. I want to quickly touch on some real-world applications for this quick tech demo that I showed. So I don't think this will ever replace actual professional esports events. I think that those will always be done by humans. Potential use cases for this is maybe like amateur tournaments or maybe friendly matches amongst friends. A second use case I thought of is getting live AI coaching while you play the game, or maybe even after the game if you wanted an AI to analyze your gameplay for you. And lastly is for live streamers who want to focus on just playing the game and not having to commentate and entertain their viewers. Cool, thank you for listening.